everybody. When I say death row, you say? Hell no. When I say death row, you say? Hell no. When I say death row, you say? Hell no. All right, that's what we need, spirit tonight. But we need you as people, to go out tomorrow and get on the phone, get on the email, start texting. Text your congressmen, text your senators, tell them that we're not going to take this anymore. Say, hell no, we're not going to take this anymore. We want Troy Davis free. And when we interject that type of justice, then we can see true justice in this country. We have all come together many a time on issues such as this. But united we stand, divided we fall. Continually they divide us on these issues. But today we are here, people of all colors, of all social backgrounds, of all classes, standing together against the death penalty to save Troy Davis. So when I say death row, you say hell no. When I say death row, you say hell no. When I say death row, you say